Now we are going to see what is data validation. So data validation is used to restrict the type of data or the value you enter in a cell. Now let us take this simple example in which we are going to see few different types of data validation. We are going to implement data validation in these three columns: mark column, comment column and sex column. Here in this mark column, the value should not exceed 100. So we are going to set the restriction to allow only the value less than 101. To set the data validation, go to data, then data validation, click the data validation, see the settings tab. Here it is written allow any value. This is the default setting. The default setting is these cells will accept any value. Now we are going to change this default setting. Instead of any value, I am going to change it as whole number. Then here in the next combo box, I am selecting less than, and in this box I am typing 101. Now this is my condition, allow whole number less than 101. Then press the OK button. Now for these cells I have set the data validation. Now let us check. For Nandini I am entering the mark 99, and for Albin I am entering the mark 121 and press enter. It is giving an error message. So press retry. Again the cursor will come in the same location. It will not accept any value which is greater than 100. If you put 100, it will accept. Okay. Now select these cells. Again go to the data validation. Here see the second tab, input message. Click here. If you want to show any message once this cell is selected, then you can put the message here. So let us put the messages. Please enter value less than 101. Okay, now press OK button. So now let us see, once you select this cell, you could see the message at the bottom, please enter the value less than 101. So it will show the message once you click these cells. Okay, now select the cell, again go to data validation, click the next tab, error alert. By default, if you type any wrong values in this cell, a default message will be displayed. If you want to replace the default message with a custom message, you can type the error alert here. Okay, now I am typing some error alert here. You have entered a value greater than 100. So this is my error message. Press OK button. Now let us type here some value greater than 100 and check. See, you are getting the message, you have entered a value greater than 100. Cancel. Now let us set a data validation rule in this column to limit the length of the text. So select the column, click data validation. Here in settings, change allow any value to text length, and in data select less than, and in this box type the number as 25. So now my condition is allow text length less than 25. This condition will allow us to type only 24 characters in this cell. Let us check. Click OK. Select the box. Type some comments here. It is accepting. Now for the second student, I am going to type a lengthier comment. Now let me press the enter button. It is giving an error message. Since the length of this string is more than 25, it is giving an error message. Now in this column, I want to restrict the user from typing anything except to choose from the available list. Let us see how to do this. Go to data validation, click data validation. Here allow select list. If you select list, it will show another box here. Here you can type all the list items. The list items should be separated by a comma. I am typing male, comma, female. Any number of list items can be typed here, each one separated by a comma. In our example, we need only 2 items. So just press OK button. Click this box. It will show a small arrow at the corner. Click here. It will show the list of items which we mentioned in the data validation rule. Select the item from this list. Here, click here. Click this button. You will find the list item. Select anyone.